all that busy, so we're putting them to work. Let's listen in behind the scenes as the pro players raise their voices in cacophony of calls. It's time for Nice Check.
You have a fan star, Joey.
I have 3 fans. I actually signed the banner. Yeah.
Oh my god, you're so cool.
I'm famous.
And now the perfect moment would be to sing Eye of a Tiger and get into the mood.
Okay,
Can we
guys.
please?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
It's the Eye of the Tiger. We need to. Where's our synergy, guys?
You guys suck. 3, 2, 1. Rockers!
That
was good!
Hooni.
Look, Annie,
No!
Good drink.
Go drink, please!
They don't come, we can cut the way here.
Sure.
Nice, man. Yeah, we can cut the way here. Go top.
Yeah, coming.
Rogan, my friend. You're a beast right now. That's what I like.
Terminamos,
Careful, no, fight! I'm up the TV,
Back.
Stop 3 seconds. TV to this!
Yeah.
Stop them!
Yeah! Hit them,